Limit order versus market order. Which one is which? Why does it matter which one you should use? I'll go over all of that after this. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Own the Chaos. My name is Brad and we talk about everything over-the-counter penny stocks here on this channel. Now, if you are interested in joining a community of like-minded individuals who celebrate each other's success and help you learn and grow, I have a free group. It's called We Trade HQ. The link's down in the description below. I highly encourage you to check that out. So today's topic is on limit orders versus market orders. What are they? When should you use them? And why should you use them? So in the OTC in particular, or just penny stocks in general, the rule of thumb is to use limit orders. And the reason why you would use limit orders is because basically what a limit order is that you get to choose what price you're in at. So let's just say, for example, you're looking at a spread here that is a bid price of 0.001 cents per share. You have an ask price at 0.02 cents per share, which that's a pretty big spread, but nevertheless, that's your bid and ask price. So then you say to yourself, I don't want to buy at any other price other than 0009. So I'm going to put a limit order at 0009, and it's not going to get filled until the bid price comes down to 0009. You could always place the bid price at 0001 and it might get filled a little bit quicker. But either way, you're going to want to place a limit order here, because when you place a market order, it's kind of like electricity. It's going to find its contact point at the path of least resistance. So when you place a market order, that's basically what happens. You're letting the market choose what price you want to buy your shares at. So you just say, hey, I'm placing a market order and I don't care what price I get in at, I just want 100 shares. So then the market says, okay, well, there's a lot of available shares up here at 003, so we'll fill your order at 003, make sure you get that 100 shares. But then what happens? The price comes all the way back down to 002 and you're starting off with an instant red position. So, and the same thing goes for when you're going to sell. If you market sell 100 shares, it's still going to find the path of least resistance, and it'll likely find it well below this bid price, maybe 0005, even 0002. I've seen market orders fill at ridiculous numbers. I don't know why people do it. I kind of get it, but in the OTC, it hardly makes any sense unless you're just trying to get out of it. Let's just say a reverse split gets announced or some crazy negative catalyst comes onto a stock and you just got to get out. And you don't care what price you get out at, then that's the only time that I would even consider a market order. But honestly, just keep whacking the bid until you can get out. Like, that's still going to maximize your profit than using a market order, because it's going to find, again, the path of least resistance. And if that path of least resistance is 90% down from its current price, you're screwed. So I always try to suggest limit orders. Now, this isn't something that you have to do, guys. This is just, all of this stuff that I talk about on my channel is stuff that I use, or that I do, and have found a lot of success in doing it. So I'm not saying that you have to do exactly what I do. I'm sure there's better ways to do things. But in my opinion, and the way that a lot of other successful penny stock traders have done it through limit orders. It's really just a simple concept. You know, you can guarantee yourself that you're going to get in at a price that you want to get at and that you're most comfortable at getting at. Sometimes the disadvantage of getting in or setting a limit order is that you could potentially miss an entry, because let's just say a stock is running quite a bit and it's running so fast that you can't keep up with it, and then that's the only instance that I could see that maybe somebody would want to place a market order to buy. But honestly, it's still just way too risky of a move, in my opinion, that I wouldn't do something like that. If you're worried about missing out on a stock and that you want to get in at a price that is reasonable, but you don't want to take that chance on a market order, then just what we call slap the ask. So you're just going to hop in on this ask price and you're not going to wait around for a bid price, because it's most likely not going to get filled because of the forward momentum going on to this stock is just too great. So that may be an instance where you would just hop in on an ask price so you can get in as quickly as possible from a limit order standpoint. So that's my input on that, guys. You know, I hope this was helpful. I know there's a lot of new traders that are coming onto my channel and coming into WeTrade HQ, and I wanted to make sure that we covered this because I have been getting a lot more questions about whether limit orders or market orders should be used. So with that, guys, I thank you so much for tuning in. If you're interested, again, in joining our free community, or if you're interested in stepping up your trading career and learning how I find success in the stock market, I go live with folks just before the opening bell each morning, and it's our paid mentorship program. The links are down in the description for that as well. It literally costs you what it would cost you on a night out to dinner. I don't like to break anybody's bank. It's just an opportunity for you to gain a little knowledge and for me to get compensated for it. That's all it's there for. You have no obligation to use that though. There's plenty of free tools and resources over there at WeTradeHQ.com. The best part is that WeTrade HQ isn't just designed for penny stocks either. We have folks that trade options, Forex, futures, big board stocks, cryptocurrencies, you name it. We design WeTrade HQ to cater to all types of traders. So no matter what you're trading in the market, WeTrade HQ is the place for you. Guys, that is it for me today. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you learned something. If you're not subscribed to this channel and you want to learn more content such as this, please hit the subscribe button as well so you'll get notified. And that is all I've got for you guys today. As always, I will see you all before the bell, and B Smith is out.